Hello everyone, welcome to lecture 12 of second chapter polynomial. So in our previous lecture we have seen question number 1 of last question of exercise 2.4 and now today let us continue with the second question. So the next question is x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. So here also it is a cubic polynomial and we have to find its factors, right? So again follow the steps. See the constant term. Constant term is minus 5. Find all its possible factors. It will be plus minus 1 and plus minus 5, right? Now use the trial and error method. Use trial and error method to find first factor, right? So let us first find p of minus 1. Okay, you can find minus 5 also, plus 5 also, no problem. But always go in ascending order, it is easier. So p of minus 1. Replace x with minus 1 in the above polynomial. So you will get minus 1 cube minus 3 into minus 1 square minus 9 into minus 1 minus 5. Right? Now solve this. Minus 1 cube will be minus 1. Minus 1 square will be plus 1. Plus 1 into minus 3 will be minus 3. Minus 9 into minus 1 you will get plus 9. And this minus 5 as it is. Okay. All negative numbers you solve first. Minus 1, minus 3, minus 5. Same sign, so you will add. Okay. 4, 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. But it will have negative sign since all the three numbers are negative. Right. Then this plus 9 as it is. Minus 9 plus 9 you will get 0. So you got p of minus 1 as 0. Therefore x plus 1 will be factor. X plus 1 is a factor of p of x. Okay, so we got our first factor. Now we need to find the other two factors. Now for that what we have to do is we have to divide our question with this factor x plus 1. Now after division we are going to get remainder 0 for sure. Why? Because we are dividing with a factor, with its factor, right? So perform long division. So let us do the division this side. Okay. So divide. Your divisor is x plus 1. X plus 1 the factor. Divide your question, it will be x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. Right? Now divide this. So with what should I multiply this x so that I'll get x square? Check the first two terms. Check the first term of divisor and dividend. With what should I multiply x to get x cube? X square. So x into x square, x cube, 1 into x square plus x square. Change the signs. So x cube minus x cube cancel and consider the lower sign always now. So minus 3x square minus x square you will get minus 4x square. Right? Now take other terms down there. So you will get minus 9x minus 5. Okay. Now again check the first term of dividend and divisor. So with what should I multiply x so that I'll get minus 4x square? With minus 4x. X into minus 4x I'll get minus 4x square. Then 1 into minus 4x I will get minus 4x. Again change the sign, so minus will become plus. This minus will also become plus. Now you will consider the lower sign. So minus 4x plus 4x square cancel. Then minus 9x plus 4x. Different sign is there. Here minus and here plus. So you will subtract. So 9 minus 4 I'll get 5x. But give the sign of greater number. Greater number is 9 which is having negative sign. So it will have minus 5x. Now take this minus 5 down. So with what should I multiply x so that I'll get minus 5x? With minus 5. Right? So x into minus 5 I will get minus 5x. 1 into minus 5 I will get minus 5. Change the signs, plus. This also will become plus. So 5x plus 5, minus 5x plus 5x cancel. Minus 5 plus 5, 0. So we were knowing that remainder is going to be 0. what we were interested in was the quotient, right? Now after this, write your question x cube as dividend is equals to, what is your dividend here? What was dividend? This one, x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5 equal to the divisor x plus 1 divisor into quotient. What is your quotient there? X square minus 4x minus 5 plus remainder is 0. So even if you don't write that plus 0, doesn't matter. Clear? Now solve this. The first factor as it is. Now find two factors from this quadratic polynomial. We know how to do it by splitting the middle term. So multiply the extreme terms. Here nothing is there, means 1. 1 into minus 5, minus 5. So my factors of minus 5 such that whose product is minus 5 and sum is minus 4. So it will be minus 1 and minus 5. So 1 into minus 5 I will get minus 5, and 1 minus 5 I will get minus 4. So split the middle term as plus x minus 5x. This minus 5 as it is, right? Now what can I take common from the first two terms? I can take x common. So take x common, what remains is x plus 1. Now take this bracket and keep it here. Now adjust the term. Here minus 5x is there and it is x here. So with what should I multiply? With minus 5. Okay. So is equals to x plus 1. From these two terms I can take x plus 1 common. And what remains is here x and here minus 5. So these are the three factors of the given cubic polynomial. Clear? So in this way you have to solve here. Now let us move to the third question. Now the third question is x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20, right? Now what is the constant term? 20. Write all possible factors of 20. So factors of 20 are plus minus 1. In 2's table also 20 comes. Then in 4's table also 20 comes. Then 5 also. Then you have 10. And in 20's table, right? So these all are the possible factors of 20, right? Now use trial error method. So let us take now x p of minus 1. So what do we have? X cube, I will have minus 1 cube plus 13 into minus 1 square plus 32 into minus 1 plus 20. So minus 1 cube will be minus 1. Minus 1 square is plus 1. Plus 1 into 13 is plus 13. Then 32 into minus 1, I will get minus 32 plus 20. Now add the negative you do first. Same signs you do first. So minus 1 and minus 32. Same sign, minus minus. So you will add 32 plus 1, 33. But it will have minus sign. Right? Now positive signs you do. Plus 13 plus 20. I will get 33. So minus 33 plus 33, I will get p of minus 1 as 0. Therefore, x plus 1 is the first factor, right? Now perform the long division. So I will rub this part. I will write here x plus 1 we got as factor. Now let us rub this so that we are not having much space for long division. So let me rub this part, okay? Then perform long division. So what I'll have, your divisor is x plus 1, the factor, and your dividend is x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20, right? Now divide. So with what should I multiply x so that to get x cube? With x square, right? So x into x square, x cube, 1 into x square plus x square. Change the signs. So x cube minus x cube cancel. 13x square minus x square, lower sign you will consider. 13x square minus x square, I'll get 12x square. 13 is positive. Now take the other one down. So I'll take 32x plus 20 down. Okay. Now with what should I multiply x to get 12x square? With plus 12x. X into 12x, I'll get 12x square. And 1 into 12x, I'll get plus 12x. Change the sign. Now you will consider the negative. 12x square minus 12x square. Cancel. 32 minus 12x. 32x minus 12x, I'll get 10x plus 10x, because greater number is having plus sign. And this plus 20, take it down. Now with what should I multiply this x to get 10x? With 10, right? Yeah. Now x into 10, I will get 10x. And 1 into 10, I will get 10. Now change the signs. So 10x minus 10x cancel. 20 minus 10, I will get 10. Now here the degree of dividend is less than degree of divisor. Here degree is 0, here degree is 1. So you can't divide it further. Right? Sorry. 32 minus 12, I will get 20x. 32 minus 12, 20x. And this plus 20 down. Okay. So with what should I multiply x to get 20x? With 20. So x into 20, 20x. And 1 into 20, 20. Now change the signs. So 20x minus 20x cancel. 20 minus 20, 0. So we were knowing remainder is 0. Right. Now I will rub. What we were interested in were in quotient. Now I will rub this division. Now write your question as divisor was x plus 1 into quotient. Quotient is x square plus 12x plus 20. Okay. Plus remainder. Remainder was 0. So even if you don't write, doesn't matter. Now one factor is there, x plus 1. You can take it down as it is. Now find factors of this quadratic polynomial by splitting middle term method. Okay. Now how do we do this? Multiply the extreme terms. 1 into 20, I'll get 20. Now find factors of 20 whose product is 20 and sum is 12. And sum is 12. So we want product as 12. Sorry, product as 20 and sum as 12. So 2 into 10 I'll get. 2 into 10, 20, and 2 plus 10, 12. Right? So these are the two factors which we need. So split the middle term, x square as it is. 12x, let us write it as 2x plus 10x. Okay, and that plus 20 as it is. Now from the first two terms, what we can take common here? From these two terms I can take common x. So what remains? X plus 2. Now write that x plus 2 as it is here. Now adjust the term. Here 10x is there, here x. So with what should I multiply x to get 10x? With plus 10. So 10 into x, 10x, 10 into 2, 20. Right. Now from these two terms, what I can take common here is the bracket. So take the bracket common, x plus 2. Now what remains inside is x. From the first term x, and from the second term plus 10. So these are the three factors of this cubic polynomial. Okay. Now let us move to the last question of this exercise. Okay. Again take the constant term. Constant term is minus 1. It is a cubic polynomial. So first step is take the constant term. Find it all possible factors. Factors of minus 1 are plus minus 1, right? 1 into minus 1 or minus 1 into 1. These two multiplication will only give you answer as minus 1. So the factors are plus minus 1, right? Now inspection we are going to do. Let us find p of minus 1. So p of minus 1 you will get 2y square. Now the variable here is not x, it is y. It doesn't matter, it is p of y. Okay, so find p of minus 1, replace y by minus 1 in the polynomial. So you will get 2 into y cube. So 2 into minus 1 cube plus y square, so that will be minus plus of minus 1 square, minus 2 into y, so minus 2 into minus 1, minus 1. Okay, then solve it. You will get minus 1 cube will be minus 1, minus 1 into 2 will be minus 2, plus minus 1 square, minus 1 square is plus 1, minus 2 into minus 1 you will get plus 2, and this minus 1, minus 2 minus 2 plus 2 cancel, plus 1 minus 1 cancel, you will get p of minus 1 as 0. Therefore x plus 1 is a factor. Okay, now perform long division. So after performing long division, what you will get? So your divisor is x plus 1 and dividend is 2y square, no 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1. Okay, with what should I multiply? I'm so sorry, now it will be y plus 1. Here also y plus 1. Why? Because your polynomial is in y. Okay, that's why. Because the polynomial is in y. So with what should I multiply y to get 2y cube? With 2y square. Y into 2y square I'll get 2y cube. Then 1 into 2y square I'll get plus 2y square. Now change the signs and consider the lower sign. So 2y cube minus 2y cube cancel. Y square minus 2y square I'll get minus y square. Different sign, so you will subtract 2 minus 1, 1. But sign of greater number, that is 2. Then take the other numbers down. 2y minus 1. Now with what should I multiply y to get minus y square? With minus y. So y into minus y, minus y square. Then 1 into minus y, I will get minus y. Now change the sign. Now consider the lower signs, right? Now after considering the lower signs, you will have this minus y square plus y square cancel. Here different signs, so subtract. 2 minus 1 you will get 1, but it will have minus sign, number greater number sign. So 1y I can write simply minus y, right? And now take the other number down, that is minus 1. Now with what should I multiply y to get minus y? With minus 1. So y into minus 1, minus y, and y 1 into minus 1, minus 1. Change the signs. Okay, after changing the signs, what I will get? Minus y plus y cancel, minus 1 plus 1, 0. So we were knowing that remainder is going to be 0, right? What we were interested was in quotient. Now write the dividend, the main question, as divisor into quotient plus remainder. Now I'll rub this part. Okay, so your dividend will be equal to divisor, that is x plus 1, into quotient. Quotient is 2y square minus y minus 1 plus remainder was 0. So even if you don't write, doesn't matter, right? Now first factor is already found, that is x plus 1. Now find the other factors from this quadratic polynomial using splitting middle term. So first step, multiply the extreme terms. 2 into minus 1 I will get minus 2. Now factors of minus 2 whose product is minus 2 and sum is minus 1. So that will be minus 2 and plus 1. Minus 2 into 1 I will get minus 2, and minus 2 plus 1 I will get minus 1. So split the middle term. So minus 2y plus y minus 1 as it is. Okay, now what can I take common from the first two terms? I can take common 2y. So what remains is y minus 1. Here 2y I have taken, so what remains is minus 1. Now copy paste it. So here y minus 1, here also y minus 1. So we have taken 1 common, so plus 1. So x plus 1 is your one factor. Now from these two terms, what can I take common is the bracket y minus 1. And what remains here is 2y, and here plus 1. So these are the three factors of the given cubic polynomial. So here we finish this exercise, and in the next lecture we are going to see a new concept. Till then, have a wonderful day. Bye bye.